Mira, apa ini?
This is flour. We will spread it into the tomb.
Grape.
Oh, grape. I think it's pandan leaf, rose. This one, and we have also rose water. That one.
Oh, rose water is that one. So that's rose water. You sprinkle it on top of the grape. Yes. So welcome everyone to day 2. Today we're gonna go and visit a few more houses, probably even 10. And before that, we start off the day by going to the graveyard to visit the graves of our ancestors, in a way. Might be very strange for some Muslims, because to some Muslims visiting graves on Eid seems a bit quite strange. But it's a normal practice here, so don't judge. So let's go.
السماوات وما في الأرض وإن تبدوا ما في أنفسكم أو تخفوه يحاسبكم الله فيغفر لمن يشاء ويعذب من يشاء والله على كل شيء قدير آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون.
So that was a visit to the gravesite. We offer prayers and also we read a few surah from the Quran. It's a form of like prayers for the person who has already passed away. So yeah, but it's quite interesting, isn't it? Okay, so right now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to the
other grave.
To the other grave.
grave.
Yeah, but I probably won't bring you guys along to that because you've probably already seen a lot of that already. Probably the next shot will be from another house.
Bubur.
Oh yeah, we're gonna eat traditional Indonesian porridge first, which is the best porridge in the world. Chinese porridge doesn't compare. Malaysian porridge definitely nowhere near. Nowhere near. It's really good. Some of you will be like thinking, it's just porridge. How good can it be, right? That was my first impression when I first worked here. I used to work in Indonesia, by the way. And I thought it's just porridge. But after trying it out the first time, I was so addicted, I had to have porridge every morning. Can you imagine?
Yep. Pro tip. You can't get porridge in a restaurant or anything like that. You have to go to a side road.
Side road, like you have to look for these kind of stalls at the side. Not sure if you can see. Yeah, somewhere around there. Yeah, those kind of stuff at the side of the road. That usually is the best. Yes. Look at how to drive through these kind of small roads. You need heart of steel to be able to drive through them.
And this is still okay.
And this is actually two-way road, yeah, guys. This is two-way. It's not even one-way. Hopefully I don't scratch anything. Wow, thankfully still managed to get parking and managed to fit myself into this tiny space. Let me show you how tiny it is. Yeah, this is tiny. Just like London parking. But worse, guys, worse. Bang, bungkus ya. Bubur ayamnya 2. Ada telur puyuh nggak? Ada, Bos. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Jadi bubur ayam 2 aja. Nah.
Thank you very much. Kita ke Perancis. Lupa lift.
See that? It has chicken pieces, emping, is it? Or kerupuk nuts. The gravy is the one that
It's
is
kedelai.
so good. That makes it a difference. And then some chili, mix it around. Bismillah.
You have to try it.
You have to try it. It's so good. It's crunchy, it's savory, it's slightly spicy. You have to try it.
Later.
So technically this is day 2, house number 1 or house number 7 from our 2 days adventure in Eid in Indonesia. So yeah, house number 7. Okay, Ira, sekarang kita udah complete rumah nombor 8. Sekarang ke rumah nombor
9.
Yeah! Let's go!
Saya mampu. Fanta. Fanta strawberry.
Yeah, not very often you see Fanta in people's houses and Coca-Cola.
Kue kampung zaman dulu. Apa?
Oh, kue apa? Jatuh!
Kaha.
Rasanya
Kampung, I don't know. Nanti aku di YouTube. Ini lebaran di sini gimana? Oh ini. Kamu apa yang mau makan? Buku sini. Aman lah. Ini jangan kamu kemari ya.
Ya, insyaallah. Ya, oke. Sekarang kita ke rumah nomor berapa?
Selalu di sini.
Wow. Terus. Enggak. Kita jadi banyak.
Bye. Thank you. Terima kasih. Serang. Enggak sempit. Ini apa? Ini kue apa?
Putri salju.
Putri salju. Kenapa dipanggil putri salju?
Ada saljunya.
Oh, ada saljunya. Terus harus dikorek-korek gitu.
Korek hidung.
Korek hidung. Guys, look at that. So this is tempe, Indonesian favorite, no introductions needed. And then that's sayur asam goreng, yeah. And then that's rendang ayam, no introductions needed. And ayam goreng, which is fried chicken. Can't wait.
Ini kulit ayam mantul. Mantap betul.
That was a pretty long one, but we got to eat. Amira, you happy? The food is good?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, now off to house number 12.
Malia.
Odong-odong. Ini cuma lebaran doang. Enggak, kalau hari libur ada di depan rumah pada lewat.
Odong-odong. Pakai apa?
Odong-odong.
Oh my, finally arrived. The roads in Jakarta is a bit too tight and very difficult to drive, especially if you have a large car, and everyone here seems to have really huge cars. So, but yeah, we're in house number 12, it seems. Okay, so let's go. Now, in case you're wondering, this is actually the bone they use to cook this bakso. And you can actually eat the inside, which is what we call sum-sum or bone marrow. You can suck it all out with a straw. It's really tasty, it's really good. Look at that, it's so huge, right? Oh my god! So welcome everyone to day 3 of Eid. Today is our turn to be hosting everyone, so it's our open house day, which means we're gonna accept all the guests from the entire extended family. It's gonna be like a few hours kind of thing. So lots of food. Let's see what's there.
We have that one, we call that one, which is made of fish. It's a dish from Palembang. It's a soup basically, and you eat it with vermicelli and some condiments and yeah. Nice.
And then
Ini asinan. Asinan Betawi. Ini ada apa, tahu, vegetable gitu-gitu ya.
ininya di
Asin-asin manis ya.
diasinin ini.
Asinin. Terus ini agar-agar. Puding. So my mom made it with semangka watermelon style.
Okay, so this
Green
is
from the outside, pink from the inside.
so this is a watermelon pudding essentially.
Sort of.
Sort of. Okay. And what is this? What is this?
Kerupuk. Kerupuk apa ini? Nggak tahu.
This is from Malaysia.
Oh, it's from Malaysia. Then you have to explain it.
Keropok ikan, which is a fish keropok
From Terengganu.
from Terengganu. From
Terengganu.
from Malaysia. It's really good. Yeah, Malaysia boleh.
It's the only Malaysian thing here.
I'm Malaysian. I'm not single. So that's it from this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe Foogie's vlog on YouTube.